Distributive property by Kobe Abing. Class Algebra 1. Teacher Baba Balku. School Aya. 2024. The distributive property is one of the four properties of multiplication and is important in algebra. Using the distributive property starts by distributing a number outside of parentheses to numbers inside of parentheses. In the example, A is distributed to each number inside of the parentheses, which shows how the distributive property is used. How is it used in an algebraic equation? Here's an algebraic equation. 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 10 equals 80. Look at the 2 times 2x plus 10. In that area, the number 2 is outside of the parentheses, and 2 times x plus 10 is inside the parentheses. We can take out this area and simplify it by using the distributive property. First, we can distribute the 2 to the 2x, which will equal 4x. Next, we distribute the 2 to the 10. After simplifying the area using the distributive property, we get 4x plus 20. We will replace 2 times 2x plus 10 with 4x plus 20 in the equation. The next thing we do is combine any like terms. 2x and 4x are like terms, so when they are added, they give us 6x. To isolate the x, we need to remove 20. To do this, we subtract 20 from both sides. This will get us 6x equals 60. Then we divide both sides by 6 to find x. The answer is x equals 10, but there is one thing we have to do. To know that we solved the equation properly, we check the answer. In the equation, we'll replace every x with 10, which was our answer. Then we separate the 2 times 2x plus 10 from the equation and simplify it using the distributive property. We have a 2 times 10 in the equation, which we can simplify into 20. Now we distribute 2 to 20 and 10, which gets us 40 plus 20, that equals 60. Then we return 60 to the equation. For our final steps, we will multiply 2 times 10 into 20, then add 20 and 60 to get 80. We do it in this order to follow the order of operations, which says to multiply before adding. Since 80 equals 80, it means we solved the equation correctly. When you use the distributive property in algebraic equations, it makes it easier to solve the problem and easy to understand how to solve it. It lets you get through the problem quickly. Thank you for listening about the distributive property.